That was the worst run in the history of running. Am I petty? No, nah. I don't think so. We're getting Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Ahana, and this was supposed to be a day in my life sort of a video, but it became days in my life sort of a video. So here is me going through multiple days in my life, and I hope you enjoy it. I'm taking you along with me to run errands and stuff like that. Basically, I want to get myself flowers. I want to do a little carpool karaoke sort of a situation here and just have fun, you know. And I need to give my shoes for dry cleaning. So I thought, why not bring you guys along with me? बहुत random updates है मेरे पास. I am graduating soon, so I'm in the process of submitting my dissertation and things like that. तो आज मैंने पूरा सबमिशन कर लिया. आज मेरे को मेरी फ्लैग रिपोर्ट भी मिल गई. अब सबमिट करके वाइवा देके I am finally free. But honestly, I think I look cute right now, and I want to get myself some sunflowers. So that is my scene. Hello, it's hard to see you, but I wish you were ready. Oh, it's hard to leave you when I get you everywhere. Oh, this time I'm thinking we could never be a pair. Oh, no, I don't need you, but I miss you. Come here. This is the most random thing I've done. I bought myself sunflowers. Sunflowers. Out of nowhere. कोई मतलब नहीं, कुछ नहीं. Reason भी नहीं है मेरे पास. I just felt like it, so I got it. And I think I should do this more often because I feel really nice. I negotiated. वो 200 रुपए के 2 sunflowers दे रहा था, and I was like, but ठीक है, I negotiated. I got it for a decent price. But yeah, feeling pretty is what I can say. मैं अपने घर के यहाँ पे धूप ढूंढ रही हूँ, so I can take pictures. I literally just got these to take pictures. Am I petty? No, nah. I don't think so. मेरा फोन बहुत मुश्किल हो गया है. I'm gonna go give these to my mom in the evening when she comes back. मैं वापस निकल गई हूँ guys.
Oh,
To meet her and going to क्या कहते हैं minerals.
first hashtag.
शेयरिंग टायर पंचर है पिछला वाला.
पिछला वाला
अभी फिलहाल हाँ भाई.
हाँ अभी तो करवाओ.
हवा तो वैसे इंडस्ट्री में तो कम ही शो कह रहा था, उसके बाद ही ज़्यादा हुई.
ठीक है,
पर इतनी कम होगी नहीं वैसे. वहाँ देख लेंगे कोई नहीं.
लग तो नहीं रहा पंचर है. बे हवा कम लग रही थी मुझे, that's for sure.
पंचर होता तो और कम होती है वो.
So we are at our dance place that we used to love, where we did all this. Basically, Tisha and I met at this place. 90% of my friends have met at this place. है ना?
अभी जो दोस्त
हाँ,
है, जो अच्छे दोस्त है. तरुण नहीं.
No.
तरुण was due to
Keshav. We met
met
Vishal here, Gargi here, Ananya तो जानती थी मैं, but like we got close here.
closer. Guys, मुझे पूरे 2 लोग जानते थे वहाँ पे. So proud.
It's so cute actually.
I was there
It felt
2
like we
years
were
ago, so that is like
It was like we were the alumni.
alumni.
Yeah, and we were just like
Everyone was like,
"Hi."
the Adivita said, "Do you remember Ahana?" And everyone was like,
Yeah. It was really
and they were not kids; they were adults, almost most of them. No kids,
kids who are becoming
Teenagers.
teenagers and like teenagers who have become
young adults.
Oh my god, I'm not that old.
We are.
But yeah, it was fun.
बेचारा वो तो से बैठा हुआ है।
वेल अब हम लोग मिनरल्स आ गए और हम लोग खाना खा चुके हैं, बिकॉज हम लोगों में पेशेंस तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है कि हम लोग खाना रिकॉर्ड करें। तो ये था हमारा पिज़्ज़ा जो अब हम ऑलमोस्ट ख़त्म कर चुके हैं, बट दिस इज़ कॉल्ड चिकन टिक्का सुप्रीम। इफ़ यू डू विजिट मिनरल्स यू कैन ट्राई दिस। I'm going to get myself a new phone.
We're not in the mountains, we're just off-roading.
Today we're getting a new phone. This decision was very random, but we are here.
That's her new phone. It's finally happening.
Thank you.
ASMR.
कोई आवाज नहीं आएगी जो तुम ASMR कर रहे हो।
Ooh, white beauty.
पहले आप ही छू लो।
We're waiting for her phone. ये भी खरीद लो आना।
अभी तो वैसे नहीं है,
एक दिन।
So while we wait for my phone to get set up, हम लोग इस पे कलरिंग कर रहे हैं। And तिशा, what did you give the name?
रंगीला रंगून। रंगीला रंगून।
This is रंगीला रंगून।
रकून को रंगून बना दिया मैंने।
This is not a raccoon.
That's a raccoon.
It's like a, अरे यार इसको कुछ ये पर्टिकुलर टाइप का फॉक्स होता है यार।
रेड फॉक्स ना। आलू छीला है कभी घर में अपने जिसमें छिल रही हो। फोन लेने आए थे यहाँ पे बावर्ची बनने में।
I used to play this as a kid. I really loved it.
Everyone did. But I didn't remember कि इस गेम का नाम ऐसे था.
I did. But I was looking for.
But it's
this
oddly
game.
satisfying.
I was looking for this game like a while ago. At this point, we're just.
देखो
sitting-
ये भी रील बना दी मैंने। लो ये लो।
At this point, हम लोग यहाँ पे बैठ के सिर्फ पेंटिंग कर रहे हैं बिकॉज हमारा फोन अभी भी ट्रांसफर हो रहा है। Now we are done. I'm with Tisha and she got me outside to take pictures. And हम लोग we are not lost, we're not in a shady place, but like we're somewhere and like a police car just showed up and हम दोनों के लिए 2 सेकंड के लिए बहुत जोर से हालत खराब हुई. But yeah, we're not a couple guys, we're not a couple.
This is such a good angle. One, go.
One.
That was the worst run in the history of running. Yes, it won't. This sunset is so good and the sky also. Look.
हम अपना फिर चेक लेते हुए
Now it's her turn. I mean, you need to give credit for me, to me for bringing you here and watching this sunset and getting these beautiful pictures. She was like, I won't go out of the car. I'll click your pictures from inside. And now,
I was scared, okay, and I was validly
but she did come out and she didn't say anything like, oh, she didn't judge me. So she is my best friend. I know.
पुलिस वाले देख रहे हैं चलते
Police wale. There's police and there's us and her parents are gonna kill me.
चलो. You're not in it. Focus करना.
इसको ना ऐसे कर लो, 2 बार दबाओ तो इसका सेंटर हो जाता है.
Face tracking.
अब आ जाओ. वाइड एंगल लेंस लगा दो तो और कर दो. अब मुझे ऐसा हम ब्लॉक करें ना तो हम इसमें 3 बार दबाऊंगी तो उधर का.
I just came back from Minerals a while ago and I'm honestly really tired. I don't know why, and my routine is kind of messed up. I don't fall asleep easily, I don't wake up easily, I don't know what it is, but we need to get back on a routine because I also haven't posted in a long time and I'm really sorry for that. So now my goal for the coming week is to get into a routine, make more videos, put out more videos, get productive, and yeah, we explored Tisha's DJI Osmo creator kit a while ago when we were at the restaurant, and it's fun. I feel like getting it for myself, but this phone has been a big investment, as you saw. So I am hoping I can make just as good videos on this than I can with a DJI. So let's see, and hopefully more videos are coming and more content everywhere on every platform. And I for a fact know that this video has been very random. Please let me know if you like such type of videos, and even if you don't, please comment that. Please, like, every little bit of feedback matters, and I just want to upload the best there is. And I'm really trying to like figure out what type of content I like to make, what I don't like to make. So let's see. And thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.